folks, it's Friday, my name's Jim and welcome to today's vlog. This is Wednesday the 5th or 5th of November 2025. Fully long, and it is well, doing a voice. It is the 05/11/2025 is the short date for you guys. So, and it is 1 minute on the camera now, and it is 08:41. There you go. I have been up since 8. Just transferred the clips over onto my computer so I can delete these clips, the clips from my camera. Where is he? So, I will be making my drink in here today. What was it? So, before I make my drink, I'll talk to you guys, and then there will be probably taking these for a walk, a quick walk around the block, and then edit the vlog, chill out for the day or chill out for the morning, get ready, start for work, go down to work, after the work, get off at Mansborough, or get a bus up to Meds, then Med to Mansborough, walk up Fenton, hopefully get a couple of video, a little bit of video on with the F word, fireworks. Went off around Rotherham and the surrounding areas. Then back here, have tea, chill out for a bit. Then probably about 11:30, 12 o'clock, or just before that. We will just after midnight, take these out again, and then I think we'll probably be settling down as well. So yeah, settle down, go to bed. That's after I've ended the vlog, by the way. And then just chill out for the rest of the day. I'm gonna prep my tea. I'm not having it straight away. We'll take dogs out one by one. So yeah, anyways, other plans. I think that's everything that I've just mentioned is what's happening. It was this morning. I might do a recording for models with loco sets, steam, diesel. My locomotives can be. I might just do a line of steam and then diesel on the back, and then there's the sets. That's gonna be fun. Probably using all this side up. But I want to show you guys all my models, what I got as of 2025. I put my set so we get a rough idea on what I'll be running up in Sean's, or when I start my own layout I can put it on my own layout. I might do a Sean, well, not straight away, but when everything is running perfectly and whatnot, hopefully, and you got more scenery and stations and then whatnot, I'll do a charity run for the Western Park Hospital. That's what title could be. Unless I do it tomorrow's vlog. I'll do it tomorrow's vlog because the title for this one is Working on Bonfire Night 2025. And then subcount, and then today's date will be the 5th of the 11th 2025, and the description will be completely different. It will be a long day and a short day. So yeah. So recap, taking Liz B for their business, then come back here, edit, render and upload my vlog. If I still got time, I will do the video of my models. My models on the kitchen side, and then chill for a bit and get ready for work. But I might talk to you beforehand, so I'll catch you in a second. editing.
I will put it as well. It said good on the
Rendering vlog.
And just
Cup of tea.
I am currently editing my vlog. The vlog might be a little bit short because I didn't put any other clips in. Because we did have tea but we didn't film it because it all just went kind of like chaotic. So yes, this hasn't come for a long time. But yeah, well, obviously guys, you know it.
It's not your vlog today, BB. Isn't it? It's not your vlog today. Is it Liz's vlog today? Okay folks, it is now 2:35 or 14:35 PM. Just getting ready for working the Bonfire match. Just making sure I've got everything and whatnot. So, anyways, and they will be setting off shortly. Making sure I've got everything. And as we are having a First thing, wearing a poppy. I'll be wearing a poppy on my nod. If you don't like it there, then fine, I will move it. I will probably put it on the tie, but I don't want to pierce the tie. Well, it shouldn't make any difference anyway, so. See, we're back in a minute. Changing the battery. So, as I'm just getting ready, putting my pinny pin on my gang yard, so it will be on display. Basically, we gotta keep our IDs showing while we're on premises. Is that right, girls? Yeah, I've got Lizzie and me with me. We have Lizzie. We have B. Oh, sorry, Lizzie. There's B4. Try not to get tripped over by B. So, bus, close mum's back from over as well, so it'll be looking I heard as well. There's Claire as well. Yeah. Get my scooters on.
I'm getting stalked by any chance.
Yeah, by Lizzie. But back in the room, I don't know what's happening with the camera. And we're back in the room. Just for sniffing my shoes, you two. So. Come on, Liz. So, put my shoes on. It's going to be a job and a half. Oops.
Yeah.
Especially with these two around. Isn't it? So, get off my sock.
Especially when you got a sock feet hanging around.
So, what I'm going to do is start a set off. B, you stop sniffing my shoe. Going for the 246, 48 off Rotherham, around up here by 3 o'clock. Get on the bus, have a trip down to Rotherham Town Centre, or train station. That reminds me, what time does the tram train is due after about 20 past 3. So 1 second guys, let me just have a look. I might change planning in 67 in town, Sheffield City Centre.
Yeah, well.
Okay. And then 6:35. Nope. All plans to met out. I don't have to be down till just after 5 o'clock. And I'll bring things at 5:30, but we don't open until 6. And it is a 7:45 kick-off, so 4:20 kick-off. So yeah. But anyways, I am going to get on. Switching out for a little bit. Probably replan. With the trams and that. So yeah. So 3:57.
You absolute Derek. Owen's as a outside.
And that guys, I'll catch you all in a bit.
Netherthorpe Road.
Use the right-hand doors at this stop.
Hold tight, please. This is the yellow route service to Meadowhall. The next stop by request will be University for West End Hospitals. Hold tight, please.
Dingoes.
22:43.
What time is it?
Tis our date T 22:44, 10:44. That's my drink. That's my tea. That's my drink.
22:44. Late dinner.
I've got
I've got the same. James. pasta being
There's B. B's licking my foot. This is just behind here washing.
Road. So
Yes.
let's play with it. Because this is burning my legs. It's actually burning my legs. Can I play?
You said he could though, wouldn't it? He's crap. I'll be the judge of that. You just lost your teammate a chance to score a goal. That's what I call crap.
Okay, folks, it is now a bit later on in the day. It is 00:27, almost half past midnight. About to take Lizzie out for a wee-wee and B out for a wee-wee as well, and probably a poo-poo. Basically their business. Isn't it, Liz? Isn't it, Lizzie? Going for walkies tomorrow? What walkies today? You want a chicken? Hi, Lizzie.
Really?
So guys, I said just about to take them two out, then we'll be going to bed because I will fall asleep here on the city. But what have I done today? Got ready, transfer clips over, then about 9 o'clock, let them out one by one, and then basically just got distracted with cat YouTube videos / shorts, and then after that basically just chilled, got ready about 2:30, then set off about just before 3, going for bus. This is my travel of the day. It's first Sheffield 69538 on the route 140 from Wingfield to Rotherham. Then gone over to train station / tram train platform, and got the tram train over to Sheffield, what was Sheffield Supertram or Sheffield CityLink 399 205 on the tram train service from Rotherham Central to Sheffield Castle Square. That's when I picked up the yellow tram up towards Hillsborough. But I did get off at Hillsborough to pop into the shop, but the people on shop floor who I didn't know, so, and I don't really want to disturb them while they were busy, seeing who were on type of thing, who was upstairs. So I had a quick look at DVDs, didn't really look properly, but just popped in, then popped out again. Short bay, and then the tram I got from Sheffield Castle Square to Hillsborough, what was Sheffield Supertram 103 on the yellow route service from Castle Square to Hillsborough. I think I'll need to shop, go down to work, do what I need to do there, sign out, go for a tram, what was due at 35, I think it was, 8:35 from Next Lane tram stop, and that was Sheffield on the Sheffield from 120 on the yellow route service from the Epsom Lane straight through to Mealy to Meadow. B and then done, and then got on the, I think it's about the 9:30 bus, what was First Sheffield's 37476 on the X1 from Meadow to Masborough. Walked up to basically back here, chill out for a bit, had tea, and then shut up B, shut up. So yeah, anyways, so we're about to, I said, go out. Set these for a woody walk. Try and make some room. And then go from there. Then add tea, what you saw. What was actually, one sec. It was actually chicken and tomato pasta bake. That's what we had for tea for tonight. Sure. Then watch Waterloo Road for a few hours, hour for sleep. And then we're thinking about taking these for the business. We'll be going in a sec. Just got my own colour and go from there. So yeah, that's mainly it. Let me get set my phony, because there's a comment being left on one of my videos. Plus I can do the sub count of the day. Sub count of the day is 1-416. There you go. That's the sub count. And then we have got a comment what's been left on my video called "Goodbye for now at Doncaster Sheffield Airport." This is a comment saying from Kevin Cooper. If I say that right, I do apologise. You put "should never have shut down." Only shut down because of greedy owners. People that got what they deserve. No building that they wanted. Ha ha ha. Thank you for your comment, Kevin. It is appreciated. When
What is going on today, everybody? It's here in the beauty.
When it does reopen, you probably see me over to Donny Airport quite a bit, I hope, and go from there. But anyways, I will get on. Gone over 10 minutes. So when I get back, I just put my night clothes on and then go to bed. So that being said, so thank you so much for watching. If you're around here, my name is Jim. If you need to know is in the description down below. That is information about today, the last day of the vlog. My social media is Instagram and Twitter, my Facebook group and my Roblox will be in the description down below as well. The games for playing on Roblox will be spelled out. The other channel what I run with Morgan, that is JNM Travel, Trust and Chat Show, will be tuning in soon. And Chloe's channel will be in the description down below as well as, so go and check Chloe out on her channel. And the 5 steps we can take. If you're doing that properly, please let me know in the comments down below, would be appreciated. And I will see you all tomorrow for another day of vlog. It's a day of vlog, it's a 2-day vlog. We will see on that one. So on that, I'll catch you in as well. So bye.